Know what y'all think. The only one I traded was Hart, but I kept everybody else. This is way before they traded for, obviously, um, for this is way before LeBron James went to LA. So yeah, I got James, Lonzo, Julius Randle, Greg Monroe, Tristan Thompson, Brandon Ingram, KCP, Lance, Kuzma, Zubac, Colford, Kelly, Andrew Harrison, Jordan Clarkson, Luol Deng. Let's see how this team gels together. I believe Ray Allen retired way before that. I tried to sign Kevin Durant, but he didn't want to come here. He actually went to, surprisingly, he went to the Bucks to team up with Giannis. If I can find the Bucks, yeah, look at that. KD went to the Bucks to sign up with the very young Giannis. Still had Chris Middleton and Jabari Parker. Yeah, they were pretty good. I also tried to sign Dwayne Wade, but obviously, yeah, so I had to release most of my rookies just to get LeBron James on his team. It's very cheap to get him, too. So, damn, we faced Dallas twice. I'm just going to do it through December because I got, free agency in February. So let's see if we can. We have a way better. I think last year we finished 38 and 41 and missed the playoffs. The first 2 years I didn't. When I first started this, I didn't make the playoffs. My first 2 years. The first year we went 41 and 41. Second year we went 38 and 41. So this year we're 16 and 11. So we obviously on a good start. So let's see if we can finish strong. We should win a championship. We are losing a lot though, but we have a few wins though here and there. La GM, La Aquarius. Alright, I'll stop there. And we are 22 and 13. Not bad. Way better than we were last 2 years. I should say that. In the video game, obviously. So yeah, not bad at all.